OpenAI just launched GPT-5, which is available with ChatGPT, and it's its latest and greatest model available so far, and it's making waves in the tech world. If you're curious about GPT-5, what are the different features it's having, how it's better compared to others or its predecessor model, then you are at right place. Stick around and we'll cover all of these items. ChatGPT now has smartest, fastest, and most usable model, which is having thinking inbuilt. So you get great answer every time. It is not AGI, but it's very close and a next step towards it. So Sam Altman had described it as similar to what happened when iPhone moved from the pixelated version to a retina based. Don't forget to subscribe the channel so that you don't miss any of the upcoming episode. And you can also check out our previous videos to learn about some of the AI coding and AI agent tools. So what is GPT-5? So GPT stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer, which is a fancy way of saying that AI can understand human, word, images, and more. So GPT-5 is a unified system, meaning it combines the fast conversational response with a deep reasoning capability. So unlike previous version where you had to choose between faster response or reasoning capability, it combines everything together. So though it is an added advantage, but a lot of folks have reported that this is causing slower response. So currently GPT-5 is available to everyone who use ChatGPT and it's pro and it's free. But there's a limitation how much you can use. So definitely paid users have a higher usage limits. Pro users even get access to GPT-5 Thinking Pro, which is an advanced version and provide even more accurate responses. Let's quickly discuss pricing. So GPT-5, if you're using within the Chat GPT, with the free plan, you get it, certain free access. But with the plus plan for $20, you get extended access to GPT-5. Now, if you're using API, then you pay $1.25 per million token input, and you pay $10 per million output tokens. And this is pretty reasonable compared to other models like Cloud Opus. So what's new with GPT-5? Now let's unpack top 5 features which stand out. Number 1 is multimodal reasoning. So ChatGPT 5 is not only about text, but it's also about image, video, and even spatial data. So whether it's understanding complex data or summarizing a presentation or answering questions about a diagram, GPT-5 handles it with precision. Number 2 is next level coding. So for developers, GPT-5 is the most powerful model from OpenAI yet. So it can scaffold large apps, build up beautiful websites, create databases, and do so many coding related tasks with just a single prompt. So early users are saying that it's like having um, a very smart engineer on your team with a knack for a good design. Number 3 is fewer hallucination. So one of the biggest improvement with GPT-5 has done is that its data is more accurate. It cuts factual errors by almost 80% compared to its earlier models. So this makes it a trustworthy tool for things which require research and accuracy of data. Number 4 is personalization upgrade. Want GPT-5 to feel more like you? So paid user can customize GPT-5 personality and even change color of GPT-5. Plus it integrates with your Gmail and Google Calendar to provide more personalized responses, like reminding you to reply to an email. Number 5 is advanced tool integration. So GPT-5 integrates seamlessly with web search, API integrations, and file analysis. It can pull data from Google Drive or SharePoint, making it very seamless in developing applications. Now let's discuss some of the real world use cases for GPT-5. So first is learning and development. So student can leverage GPT-5 study mode to get step-by-step instructions on their science and math related questions. It's like having a personal tutor with you who can guide you through complex topics. Now for business and productivity, businesses can use GPT to summarize large data, create reports, and create automated workflows. Next use case is healthcare support. So GPT-5 shines in providing healthcare related support, offering precise answer to healthcare related questions. So like users have been uploading their diagnosis or scan and getting answers, a very precise answer from GPT-5. Now quickly, let's check out how ChatGPT GPT-5 work. So when you go here, you see that uh, there's no option to select any other model. So you are in GPT-5. Now let's ask it to create a simple web page which can accept email and a name. Create a lead generation web page which can accept name and email. It should be a beautiful, professional looking. Okay, great. So it has started working here. Let's go to run code. Okay, it has created a lead gen page. So that's good. Like, in this terminal itself, we can generate a code and, test it out. Create a YouTube video script topic GPT-5. Okay, great. It has created a script for us. And the response is pretty fast, I would say. Not bad. Great. I hope you learned something from this video. Try out GPT-5 and let us know how do you feel about it. And don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. Thank you.